think, Marge. All I need is a title.
All right. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is GamerCat and you're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. And today, for this recording, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use my new specialty deck here. It's a Jaina deck to actually go ahead and obtain the 5 Divine Shield characters that we need to complete the daily quest. This way at the most we only lose one more star on our rank. So then we can get back to playing our aggro warrior or maybe the dragon warrior and other things and start back up the rank again. In the meantime, here we go. And if I get the completion on this quest, I'll show you the card. I'll go buy the cards and unpack them and show them to you and stuff like that. It'll be kind of fun.
Watch your back. You asked for it.
Okay, no Divine Shields out yet, but we're pretty good. Let's go ahead and take that. I'm going to hold up on doing that for just a second. I don't want to play him right off the bat. He'll get chump killed real quick. Oh, here comes, yeah, oh yeah, there you go, yeah. Okay. Now we will do it. What the hell, why not? There we go. Bunch of 1/1s out there. Difference is my two do a point of damage when they die. Ow. Oh, okay, they do more than a point of damage. They do 2 points. That's ow. There we are. One of those spiders can die. The other one is going to be around for a bit. I think.
Thank you.
I guess he will. Well then. Here we are. Kill one of those. Kill it. Oh man. Didn't do it. Okay. That'll be worth it, I think.
Give that minion a turn to get ready.
There we go. Wow. I don't know. If I'm him, I target the knife juggler. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. Huh? Okay, that's pathetic. Yeah, take out the knife juggler. And start working on the... Oh, there you go. And take out the guy that had the Divine Shield. Okay, another one that usually gets wrecked right off the bat is him. Actually, hold on. Do 1 point of damage. There we go. Nice. And face hit. There we go. I want to be careful when putting this guy out because this guy's another one of those targets like the knife juggler because of what he does. When a minion dies, he gets more +1/+1 attack, so he's targeted immediately. So let's go ahead and put him out now, though. And try to kill something first. And then we'll go ahead and go here. Let's start doing some damages. There we go. We're actually doing pretty good in this game, despite not having very much in the way of... Yeah. Ow. Not sure why you're going after him. He's a 1/3. Oh, that's why. That would explain it. Trying to wipe the board, which he did. Good job. Don't care about you stealing my cards.
Ready for action.
Best use of that fireball.
Who goes there? Shush.
And once again, we'll take out the thing that has the most power.
I got the best deals anywhere.
That's a pretty good. That's a pretty good one right there. Take a look at him real quick. Yep. The Gadgetzan Auctioneer. When you cast a spell, draw a card. And he's casting a lot of spells right now. Takes care of Divine Shield. But he can't do anything in terms of directed attacks at him because of the stealth. So he'll face me. Do lots of face damage.
Handle it.
So I'll go ahead and kill him. And there we go. Ow. Ouch. Yeah, trying to wipe me out really quickly here. Now, why didn't you put him? He must not have gotten him before him. This will do it, though. We're gonna lose this one. Entertaining game, I think. See, here's the thing. I have fun even if I'm losing like this. Because Hearthstone is a very entertaining game. So there's the loss. Oh, yes. Yep. There's our new quest. Play 10 secrets. Oh, yeah. You know what? Let's not. Let's not say we did. We did get 2 for our Divine Shield thing here, and we'll go ahead and keep that quest. But this secrets, I don't do secrets that much, so let's go ahead and get a new one. Oh, playing the Warlock a bunch. Okay. God. Okay. Now, anyway, if you liked what you saw, go ahead and leave me some comments down below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.